Hey there! So let's talk about a common problem that many macOS users encounter when trying to tweak system settings. The issue is that when you're looking to customize certain aspects of your Mac, you might come across references to specific software solutions instead of official system settings. It can be a bit frustrating to navigate through various blogs and forums in search of the right information, especially when you just want to access the lower-level system preferences directly. Now, moving on to the solution. Defaults on macOS are essentially preferences stored in property list files, which are like XML-based databases. The defaults command allows you to interact with these properties, acting almost like a Plist edit tool. Unfortunately, there isn't a comprehensive official document detailing what each property does. The best way to understand the properties used by a specific app or software is to inspect their source code. While some parts of macOS are open source, for closed-source components, it may be challenging to delve into their preferences outside of what Apple has publicly documented. In summary, when delving into macOS system settings, remember that defaults are stored as properties in Plist files. To understand how specific software interprets these properties, you may need to peek into their source code. While some macOS components are open source, closed-source parts may not offer as much transparency. Hopefully, this sheds some light on navigating the intricate world of macOS customization. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. A little bit of humor never hurts.